Oh, that's good. That's really good. You gotta try this. Hi, Jeff from Windy City Smokers. Let's make a revolver. 2-ounce bourbon. 1/2 ounce coffee liqueur. Orange bitters. Ice. We're gonna stir this down for about 15 seconds. We'll take our ice ball and put it in our glass. Now for our garnish. Now for the fun part. Let's smoke it. Now that we got our smoker, we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna turn it on, and instead of wood chips, we're going to use tobacco to smoke this cocktail. Let's give it a try. Put our cocktail under the dome. Let's give it a light. All right, now that it's sat, let's go ahead and serve our cocktail. Now that looks like a beautiful smoked revolver.